Hey there, I welcome you back to my channel Krisi Vichar. In this video, I am going to discuss manures and fertilizers. Definition: manure is an organic material that is prepared by decomposition of crops residue or animal droppings which is added to the soil to improve fertility. They add humus to the soil by providing organic substances and nutrients, whereas fertilizer is any substance, organic or inorganic, that is added to the soil to increase the yield of crops. They are mainly manufactured in the factories. They are rich in nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and they ensures healthy growth and development of plant by providing nutrients, however lack to humus to the soil. Then moving towards manure deeply, generally denoted as the materials derived from composite residues and organic waste without the addition of any other elements. They provide minerals and nutrients to the soil and contribute in improving physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil. Based on concentration, it can be further divided into two broad categories, that is bulky organic manures and the second one is concentrated organic manure. Manures is of two, that is bulky and concentrated. Bulky, it contains a small percentage of nutrients and they are applied in large quantities. Farmyard manure, also known as FYM, compost and green manure are the most important and widely used. Then the concentrated, these organic manures have high nutrient content than bulky organic manure. Some of the important concentrated organic manures are oil cakes, blood meal, fish manure, etc. These are also known as organic nitrogen fertilizers. Then fertilizers. It can be classified into three categories. The first one is straight fertilizer. It contains only one primary nutrient, either N, P or K. Example: urea, ammonium, potassium chloride and potassium sulfate. The second one is complex fertilizer. It contains two or more primary nutrients. Example: diammonium phosphate, nitrophosphates and ammonium phosphate. The third one is a mixed fertilizer. These are mixtures of straight fertilizers. They contain two or three primary nutrients. Fertilizers can also be classified as solid fertilizers. Example: in the form of powder, single superphosphate, crystals, ammonium sulfate, briquettes, urea briquettes. Then in the form of liquid, these are applied with irrigation water or for direct application as nitrogenous fertilizers, phosphatic fertilizers and potassic fertilizers complex. So this was all about the manures and fertilizers. Thanks for watching me until the end.